phone, wallet,
What else?
keys,
Keys.
3-point check.
3-point check. However, we use Google Keep to keep track of everything we need. And the last thing on the list that we still hadn't in the van were the fishing rods. So how long has it been since we've been in the van?
So it's been 2 and a bit months.
2 and a bit months?
Yeah.
Okay, this feels good to be in here again.
Yeah. So now it's off finally on our next adventure.
And so how much gas do we have?
We
You
have a
weren't
full
sure.
tank ready to go.
Oh, good. All right, I'm going to get in.
And away we go. Our next adventure. Hi, I'm Wade.
And I'm Lorraine.
And we are on the off-ramp. And we are camping at Blue Lakes in Duck Mountain Provincial Park in Manitoba. And we've had just a tremendous day. It's our first day here. We spent one night now and the first day and we did some fishing this morning. And
Did you catch any fish?
no.
Wow.
We were shut out. But it's been a tremendous day, just enjoying the beautiful outdoors.
Look at the sky behind us. I don't know. Oh, no, that's not doing it.
There we go.
The sky behind us, that is 10 o'clock at night. We are that much further north than our home in Winnipeg. And we can just tell the daylight difference, hey?
Yeah, it is. It makes a big difference. Just, hey, stay along for the video. We're going to show you some more of Blue Lakes Provincial, or sorry, I'm going to show you more of Duck Mountain Provincial Park and the Blue Lakes Campground. When you arrive at Blue Lakes camping area, take the road to the right. There's a little camp office there. You check in. On the other side of the road is a resort and a store and East Blue Lake, which has a nice little swimming and beach area to enjoy on the hot summer days. When entering the campground, you come upon a small little office building. If you do need Wi-Fi, there is a little bit of signal at the building, but don't expect to do any heavy data retrieval. It is good to check up on communications with family that are not in the park or that are further away. And for those that need to check up on social media, there's that as well. And once you've checked in, it's off you go to one of the camping bays. Blue Lakes Campground has a wonderful mix of serviced and unserviced sites. Just be careful when you're booking to make sure you get what you want. We chose unserviced because we do have enough solar power and battery power we can keep ourselves going. We are in Bay 2 this time around. And again, some of the sites have electrical. You can see the electrical panel box there. And some of the sites are not serviced. But it's a beautiful, beautiful bay with lots of tall trees and lots of shelter. There are numerous water stations on each of the bays, so ample places to either fill up your RV with water or to carry water to your campsite. There's also a good variety of sites. This site is fairly well open. If you have solar, it's a great place to be. But it's still a fairly private site. Some are in behind trees, and we are just up ahead, tucked into the corner. This is site 220, Bay 2, site 20, and on the sunny days in July, there is no sun hitting our solar panels on our van. But it has been a wonderful sheltered site. And then just up the road and around the corner up the road are the pit toilets. And there are, at the end of the bay, there are also some freshwater flush toilets in a newer brick building. Well, one breakfast of omelets and bacon is completed. We are camping at Blue Lakes in Duck Mountain Provincial Park in Manitoba. And friends from Saskatchewan came and joined us and brought a tent. There are numerous hiking trails you can take while hiking in along the Blue Lakes, and we are on West Blue Lake today, hiking a little trail that we have found. It's the same lake. Say, going up is optional, coming down is mandatory.
And you want to hang out at the beach, the playground is right over here for people to hang around with their kids. Change room, washrooms over there, little picnic shelter and a dock. And there's the beach area that Wade's walking to, and it's got a rope, I guess, to indicate where the swimming area is. It's a beautiful place. Tomorrow it's 30 degrees and we're hoping to get into that water.
Next door to the beach is the Blue Lakes Resort convenience store. So if you're in need of a drink or a ice cream sandwich or something, or even if you need some camping supplies, they have them here in the store. Time to go try some fishing.
Did we catch this fish here at Blue Lake? Well, you're going to need to stick to the end of the video to find out. But either way, it was delicious, and we had a great time visiting with these friends. contributing to the meal, sharing a meal, and just having a great time spending this time together.
And it was nice that we got to sit around the fire and enjoy some time just sharing stories and making some up as we sat around the fire.
And reminiscing about our time of volunteering together.
So our time in Duck Mountains was a wonderful time to reconnect with friends that we made while we were in Texas this last winter volunteering.
That's one of the advantages of volunteering, just making new friends. It was great. Just so happens we're in Texas, meeting people from Saskatchewan. Had a great time with them.
Don't let the gravel roads on the way to Duck Mountains scare you. There are a number of great campgrounds. There is some gravel road that you have to travel down anywhere between 20 and 30 kilometers, depending which route you take.
Yeah, that's true. And we went in and out both ways, hit gravel, but the gravel roads were in great condition. Such a remote area, so many lakes. We did not explore all of it.
No, we didn't have time. The van also needed a good cleaning when we got off. There's a lot of dust.
We hope this encourages you to head out to Blue Lakes. I know it was worth it for us. We've been there before. It was fun to capture it now for our channel as well.
Great remote camping in Manitoba. Oh, and by the way, you can have fires. Well, right now you could have fires.
Oh yeah, the fires.
But you do need to purchase firewood at the store. And it's a pretty hefty bundle. It's about $15 a bundle, but it was a good bundle. The bundle lasted us an evening.
Easily. I mean, we go through wood.
Yeah, especially when there were 6 of us together. So we had a lot of good fires. We also had a great fish fry. I got a chance to go fishing with Lorraine's brother Ken. He runs a fishing service, angling service on Dauphin Lake, Ken's Angling Services. So if you do ever want to go fishing on Dauphin Lake, ice fishing or soft water fishing.
Yeah, he is an expert on the area. Yeah, we have a great time fishing there, and that's what contributed to our fish fry for our camping at Blue Lake.
Yes. So thanks, Ken, for the fish. We did go fishing. I did catch some, but we ended up with some other fish too. Now, our next video, if we look behind us.
I don't know if you can tell from that. Are we still in Manitoba?
We are no longer in Manitoba.
Not.
We're working on our next video, and we are making a quick trip to Vancouver Island and back. And we'll tell you more about that in our next series of videos.
Join us. Stick with us.
Now, as we complete this trip, we're halfway there. We're in Merritt right now.
Okay, hang on a second.
Oh, okay.
I feel like what's going to happen in our next video just shows that we live by this motto.
Yeah, well, yeah. Yeah.
We had stuff happen.
We had stuff happen, but we'll share that in our next set of videos. So just remember, when you are traveling or doing anything else,
yes,
just remember you need to
hold your plans loosely.